Hello, my amazing friends. Welcome back to the Happy Elder, your cozy YouTube haven for living healthy, joyful, and vibrant after 60. I'm so thrilled you're here, maybe sipping your evening tea, relaxing in your favorite armchair, or winding down for the night. If you're new to the channel, a big warm welcome. We're all about aging with grace, wisdom, and a huge smile. So hit that subscribe button and join our wonderful community. It's like a warm hug for your golden years. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for your health. 8 sleep mistakes that are ruining your health over 60. Sleep is like a nightly recharge of your body and mind, but some common habits could be stealing your energy and harming your longevity. I've learned from sleep experts, doctors, and incredible folks like you, and I'm excited to share these mistakes to avoid, plus easy fixes to help you sleep better and live longer. After 60, good sleep is a game changer. So let's get it right. Before we start, let me ask, what's one thing you do before bed? Maybe watch TV or read a book. Drop in the comments and let's chat. If this video helps you wake up refreshed, please give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss a tip for thriving in your golden years. All right, let's jump in. Why sleep matters after 60. Sleep is more than just rest. It's a cornerstone of your health. After 60, your body relies on quality sleep to repair cells, clear brain toxins, and keep your heart and mind strong. The Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine says poor sleep increases risks of heart disease, diabetes, and dementia by 20% in seniors. Bad sleep habits, like staying up late or sleeping in a noisy room, can disrupt this process, harming your health, per the National Sleep Foundation. But the good news? Fixing these mistakes can transform how you feel. My friend Margaret, who's 68 and full life, told me, I used to toss and turn, feeling tired all day. Changing my sleep habits gave me energy I didn't know I had. Margaret's story shows that small tweaks can help you live healthier and longer. So, let's explore 8 sleep mistakes to avoid after 60, why they're harmful and how to fix them. Here's mistake number 1. Mistake number 1. Using screens before bed. First, using screens like phones, tablets, or TVs right before bed is a big sleep saboteur. Why it's harmful. Blue light from screens blocks melatonin, the sleep hormone, making it harder to fall asleep, per the Journal of Sleep Research. This reduces deep sleep, which your body needs to repair itself, raising risks of heart issues and memory loss, says the American Heart Association. After 60, your eyes are more sensitive to blue light, worsening the impact. How to fix it? Stop screens an hour before bed. Read a book, listen to soft music, or do light stretches instead. Use night mode or blue light blocking glasses if you must use devices. Keep your bedroom screen-free. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep nightly. Western vibe. In the U.S., reading a paperback from Barnes & Noble is a cozy bedtime habit. In the UK, listening to BBC Radio 4 or classical music is a soothing choice, popular in many homes. My story, I used to scroll on my phone before bed, and I'd lie awake for hours. Switching to a book helped me fall asleep faster, and I wake up refreshed. It's a game changer. Real-life inspiration. My neighbor Linda, 65, watched TV late and felt groggy. She started reading novels instead, sleeps 8 hours now, and says, my mind's sharper. Linda even joined a book club, making bedtime fun. Your move. Skip screens an hour before bed tonight and read for 10 minutes. Check our Senior Sleep Tips playlist for bedtime ideas. Tip. Charge your phone outside the bedroom. Dim lights to signal sleep time. Talk to a doctor if sleep struggles persist. Why it matters. Ditching screens boosts sleep quality, protecting your heart and brain for a longer, healthier life. Mistake number 2. Eating heavy or sugary snacks late. Next, eating heavy meals or sugary snacks close to bedtime can disrupt your sleep and health. Why it's harmful. Late night eating, especially rich or sugary foods, causes indigestion and acid reflux, more common after 60, per the Journal of Geriatric Gastroenterology. It also spikes blood sugar, increasing diabetes risk, says the American Diabetes Association. Poor sleep from digestion issues stresses your heart, shortening life expectancy. How to fix it? Finish eating 2 to 3 hours before bed. Dinner by 6 p.m. if you sleep at 9. Choose light dinners like grilled fish with veggies or a small bowl of oatmeal. For snacks, try a banana or almonds, which promote sleep. Drink water, not soda. Western vibe. In the U.S., a light salmon salad from Whole Foods is a healthy dinner. In the UK, veggie soup or porridge from Tesco is a bedtime-friendly choice. Easy to find. My story, I love late-night ice cream, but it gave me heartburn. Early dinners with veggies and fish help me sleep soundly, and I feel great in the morning. Real-life inspiration. My friend Paul, 67, ate chips late and woke up bloated. He switched to early salads. His sleep's better, and he says, light meals give me energy. Paul now walks daily without fatigue. Your move, eat dinner 2 hours before bed, like a small salad. Check our Healthy Aging Journey playlist for meal ideas. Tip, avoid spicy foods at night. If diabetic, monitor blood sugar with your doctor. Keep water by your bed. Why it matters. Early, light meals improve sleep and digestion, supporting longevity. Mistake number 3, drinking caffeine or alcohol in the evening. The third mistake is drinking caffeine or alcohol late. It's a sleep disruptor. Why it's harmful. Caffeine in coffee, tea, or soda keeps you awake, per the Journal of Sleep Medicine. Alcohol may make you drowsy but disrupts deep sleep, raising heart and memory risks, says the National Institute on Aging. After 60, your body processes these slower, amplifying effects. How to fix it. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Try herbal tea like chamomile or decaf. Limit alcohol to 1 drink early with food. Drink water or milk before bed to hydrate and promote sleep. Western vibe. In the U.S., chamomile tea from Target is a bedtime staple. In the U.K., warm milk or herbal tea from Sainsbury's is a cozy ritual. My story, evening coffee kept me up. Switching to chamomile tea after lunch helped me sleep deeply. I'm ready for the day now. Real-life inspiration. My friend Susan, 64, had wine late and felt tired. She cut alcohol after 6 p.m. and drinks tea. Her sleep's solid, and she says, I'm sharper for my grandkids. Susan enjoys tea with friends now. Your move. Skip caffeine after 2 p.m. and try herbal tea tonight. Check our longevity lifestyle playlist for drink ideas. Tip, check meds for caffeine. Sip alcohol slowly with dinner. Hydrate to sleep better. Why it matters. Avoiding caffeine and alcohol improves sleep, protecting your health. Mistake number 4, sleeping in a poor environment. Fourth, sleeping in a noisy, bright, or uncomfortable bedroom harms your sleep. Why it's harmful. Noise, light, or a bad mattress disrupts sleep, reducing its benefits, per the Journal of Environmental Health. Poor sleep raises risks of obesity and heart disease, says the National Sleep Foundation. After 60, your sleep is more sensitive to disruptions. How to fix it? Keep your bedroom cool, 65 degrees Fahrenheit, dark and quiet. Use blackout curtains, a white noise machine, or earplugs. Get a comfortable mattress and pillow. Declutter for calm. Western vibe. In the U.S., blackout curtains from Walmart make a cozy bedroom. In the UK, a white noise machine from Argos is a sleep saver. My story, my bright, noisy bedroom left me tired. Curtains and a noise machine gave me 8 hours of sleep. I'm energized now. Real-life inspiration. My friend Clara, 66, had a lumpy mattress. A new one and earplugs improved her sleep, and she says, my bedroom's a haven. Clara gardens early now, full of energy. Your move. Dim lights or try earplugs tonight. Check our Senior Sleep Tips playlist for bedroom tips. Tip, replace a mattress over 10 years old. Keep pets out if they wake you. Check for sleep apnea if snoring. Why it matters. A good sleep environment boosts rest, supporting your health. Hey friends, thanks for being part of our The Happy Elder family. If these sleep tips are sparking ideas, hit that like button. It helps others find us. Share with a friend, and subscribe with the bell for senior sleep tips and gratitude after 60. Your support shines. Let's move to mistake 5. Mistake number 5, ignoring stress before bed. Ignoring stress before bed, letting worries keep you awake, is a health risk. Why it's harmful. Stress raises cortisol, disrupting sleep and increasing heart disease and depression risks per the Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry. Poor sleep harms memory, says the Alzheimer's Association. How to fix it? Try a calming routine, 5 minutes of deep breathing or journaling. List 3 things you're thankful for. Talk to a therapist if stress persists. Western Vibe. In the U.S., gratitude journals from Amazon calm the mind. In the UK, BBC relaxation podcasts are popular. My story. Worrying kept me up. Journaling and breathing calm me. And I sleep so much better now. Real life inspiration. My friend John, 63, stressed about finances. Meditating before bed helped him sleep, and he says, calm nights boost my days. He leads a church mindfulness group now. Your move. Try deep breathing for 5 minutes tonight. Check our gratitude after 60 playlist. Tip, write worries down. Avoid stressful talks at night. See a doctor if stressed. Why it matters. Managing stress improves sleep and mental health for a longer life. Mistake number 6. Inconsistent sleep schedule. Having an inconsistent sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at different times, disrupts your body. Why it's harmful. Irregular sleep confuses your body's clock, reducing sleep quality. For the Journal of Sleep Research, this raises risk of obesity and diabetes, says the National Institute on Aging. How to fix it? Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily, even weekends. Set a bedtime alarm to remind you. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Western Vibe. In the U.S., bedtime reminders on smartwatches are common. In the U.K., a bedside clock helps keep routine steady. My story. I slept at random times and felt foggy. A fixed 10 p.m. bedtime gives me 8 hours, and I'm sharper. Real life inspiration. My friend Tom, 69, had erratic sleep. A consistent schedule improved his energy, and he says, routine's my secret. Tom now plays golf with focus. Your move. Set a bedtime for 10 p.m. tonight. Check our senior sleep tips playlist. Tip. Stick to your schedule even on holidays. Nap early if needed, under 30 minutes. Why it matters. A regular schedule boosts sleep, keeping you healthy. Mistake number 7. Overusing sleeping pills. Relying on sleeping pills too often can harm your health. Why it harmful. Sleeping pills can cause dependency and side effects like confusion, per the Journal of Geriatric Medicine. They don't fix underlying sleep issues and increase fall risks, says the CDC. How to fix it? Use pills only as prescribed and for short periods. Try natural aids like herbal tea or relaxation. Address sleep issues with a doctor. Check for apnea or insomnia. Western Vibe. In the U.S., natural sleep aids like melatonin aren't CVS. In the UK, lavender pillows from Boots promote rest. My story. I used pills but felt groggy. Switching to tea and a routine helped me sleep naturally. I feel great. Real life inspiration. My friend Ellen, 62, overused pills. She tried meditation and cut pills. Her sleep's better and she says, natural's the way. Ellen now paints with clear focus. Your move. Try a natural sleep aid like tea tonight. Check our dementia awareness playlist. Tip. Talk to your doctor before stopping pills. Address root causes like stress. Why it matters. Avoiding pills protects your health and promotes natural sleep. Mistake number 8. Ignoring sleep apnea symptoms. Finally, ignoring sleep apnea symptoms, like loud snoring or gasping, can be dangerous. Why it harmful. Sleep apnea stops breathing during sleep, reducing oxygen and raising heart disease and stroke risks by 30%, per the Journal of the American College of Cardiology. It's common after 60 and harms memory, says the Alzheimer's Association. How to fix it? If you snore loudly or wake gasping, see a doctor for a sleep study. Use a CPAP machine if diagnosed. Lose weight or sleep on your side to reduce symptoms. Western Vibe. In the U.S., sleep clinics are common in cities. In the UK, NHS sleep studies are accessible. My story. I ignored my snoring until I felt exhausted. A CPAP machine gave me deep sleep, and I'm full of energy. Real life inspiration. My friend Anna, 70, gassed at night. A CPAP fixed her sleep, and she says, I feel 10 years younger. Anna now hikes with her grandkids. Your move. Talk to your doctor if you snore loudly. Check our senior sleep tips playlist. Tip: record your sleep to check snoring. Avoid alcohol to reduce apnea risks. Why it matters. Treating apnea improves sleep and heart health, extending your life. Wrap up. These 8 sleep mistakes: screens, late eating, caffeine, poor environment, stress, irregular schedules, sleeping pills, and ignoring apnea can ruin your health after 60. Fix them with simple changes. Skip screens, eat early, set a bedtime, and see a doctor for apnea. Start with one tonight, like reading a book, and feel the difference. You're meant to thrive in your golden years, and great sleep is the key. That's a wrap, friends. I hope these 8 sleep mistakes to avoid inspire you to sleep better and live healthier. Which one will you fix? Maybe skipping screens or setting a bedtime. Share in the comments. I love your stories, and they light up our Happy Elder community. Check the links below for more healthy aging journey and senior sleep tips. Give us a thumbs up, share with a friend, and subscribe with the bell to stay in the loop. Thanks for being part of this amazing family and choosing to age with grace. Keep shining, and I'll see you next time. Sweet dreams.